Hello watcher and subscriber. In this tutorial we are going to learn the use of trim function in Excel. So here you see in this sheet we have the basic information. I am having the information of in the form of text. So you can see it can be employee record, student information or whatever it is. So what happened, you see this record carefully, some names are there but unwanted space is there. So after this name you see 4 to 5 spaces are there, here also spaces are there, so it is not looking proper. So what happen at the time of doing work, if suppose you are getting the Excel sheet, okay, and in that Excel sheet some information is there that is related with the employee, student, whatever it is, but it is not proper, means unnecessary spaces are there. So what happen, it will not look properly, and if it not look properly, then you cannot manage this information also. So if you want to then remove this spacing, then what you will do, or what many people will do, they will use a backspace key and they will remove this, okay, but this is not a proper way. If suppose you are having 4 record, 5 record, then you can do manually, but if you are getting the sheet and there suppose 1,000 row are there, or you can say 500 record are there, even 50 record are there, then you cannot do manually by using a backspace key. So in such a case you have to use a function, and our function will be trim function. So what is the use of trim function? It is used to remove the unwanted space. Okay, so now here we will use the trim function. So it can be written like that, and then I want to remove the extra spaces of these records. So I will just click on the first record, the address will come there, closing bracket and enter. You see now this name, initial name, middle name and the last name, it is coming in a proper way. There is no spacing at the beginning, no extra spacing at the middle also. Okay, so that is what you can arrange it just by using one function. And then I want same in the rest of the rows, so you just drag it down. There is no need to type the formula for each and every record. Once you type it for one row, you just select that your mouse there, plus icon will come, and then you will just drag it down, so automatically it will be applied to the other record also. So in this way you can use the trim function in a easy way. But after doing this, then again you see in this column, means it is just we have now 2 column, but I don't want this column now. So what happen, suppose if you totally delete this column, means suppose if I select this delete option, then once you do the delete, then what happen, here the error is coming reference, because we have deleted that column, and in the formula we mention the address of that column, of that cell which is present on that column. So that the reason here error message is coming. So I'm just going into the back, Control Z I press. So what happened, I don't want these 2 columns. So what I will do, I will just do here copy. Okay, now I have done copy, and I will just right click, and then I will click on the paste special, and here I will select the values and then click OK. And now suppose if I delete this, then also it is not showing error, because once I copied this, I selected paste option and there I selected value. So in this way you can delete that previous column, you can delete that whatever the faulty column is there, that you can delete it once you applied or once you manage the data properly. So this basic tutorial, it is very useful to you, because here I told you the importance of trim function, how you can remove the unwanted space, and how you can manage that particular column once you applied the trim function, means how to delete the previous column that was not arranged the information properly. Because many user, what they will do, once they apply trim function, and if they are trying to remove the previous column, then error will come and they will get frustrated and they will not use the trim function, then they will do manually. So these both the parts are important here. Whether you use trim or any other function, you must know this. So here in this tutorial you learn the two things: how to use trim function. By using that we learn how you can remove unwanted space, and secondly is how you can use the paste special, how you can go for the value option. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.